Hey guys, so I'm coming to you live. I'm hanging out in my daughter's room right now, and I just wanted to congratulate the student. We congratulate those with jobs and getting interviews and things of that nature, but let's congratulate the student. She's been in her QA role for a while now. She loves it. She works remote, but she just notified us that her and her partner just bought a new home, or in the process of buying a new home, and she is also giving that thanks to QA and her going through this process and road to QA, and QA has helped her on this journey. I want to tell you guys something. I do what I do because I know that it can shift the trajectory of your life. You being able to make more, actually enjoy what you're doing, enjoy your work or enjoy a new career path or plan can really change your life. And every role won't be perfect. But what about moments like this, where you do the hard work and you do the work, you push through, you land your first one, and it can allow you to do other things like this, being able to purchase a home. So we're gonna celebrate her. I'm gonna be looking for her behind the scenes to send me pictures. But let's celebrate this student. Let's celebrate all that she has to come to her, for her saying yes to herself. And I want to also thank you guys for believing in Road to QA and what I do. Happy Sunday.